to Home Economics. This video is all about electric sewing machine. This is an electric sewing machine. I am using the brand Singer for my demonstration. Parts of the electric sewing machine. Since this machine is electric, you need to use this plug cord for electricity. Spool pin. This is a thread holder for upper threading. Bobbin winder. This is where you load or refill empty bobbins for your lower threading. This one is the balance wheel. If you move the balance wheel, the needle will also move. Power switch. This is used for turning on and off the machine. Reverse control. If you long press this one, this will make the stitch move backward. Stitch regulator. It regulates the length of stitches to use when sewing. Stitch selection regulator. This is where you can choose the stitch pattern to use for sewing. To use this, you just have to align this one on the dot. So if you want this, align this one on the dot there. And this one, or this one. It's the upper tension, so it regulates the tightness and looseness of the stitches. This one is what we call thread take up. So if you're going to move the balance wheel, there, it will also move. And this will also guide the thread. In this machine, we have two thread guide. This one on top, and then the other one is near the needle. This one. This one is the throat plate, needle bar, needle clamp, needle, presser foot, and below, feed dogs. Presser foot lifter. Okay, let's try to use the presser foot lifter. It is connected to the presser foot. So let's put down, and there you go. And then raise, and then it also raises the presser foot. Foot control. Foot control activates the machine. Okay, let's try. Lower the presser foot using the presser foot lifter gently. Once it lowers down, press the foot control to activate the machine. Release to stop. Press to activate the machine and release to stop. This part of the machine is detachable, where you can find different accessories for the sewing machine. If you open this part, this is where the lower thread is located. Let's take it off to see what's inside. Okay, there you go. This is the bobbin shuttle of the sewing machine. Okay, we have here the bobbin case, and we have the bobbins of thread. There you have it, the parts of the electric sewing machine. Thanks for watching!